Let's see. Try again. The hell is going on? There's nothing in the way. Here are the sensors. Spider webs or something? Try again. If I hold the button down and force it, that's the only way I can get it to shut.